Ever wondered how to make money online? Today we'll explore simple steps to get you started. In this digital age, making money online is no longer a foreign concept. It's become a viable option for many around the world, offering an exciting alternative to traditional employment. But how does it work? How can you turn your skills, interests, or hobbies into a steady income stream, all from the comfort of your home? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. Making money online can be as simple as leveraging what you already know or do. With the right strategies and a bit of determination, you can create a sustainable online income. The beauty of making money online lies in its flexibility. You can work from anywhere, at any time, giving you the freedom to set your own hours and balance work with life's other demands. Maybe you're a night owl who's most productive after the sun sets, or perhaps you're a busy parent juggling childcare and work. The online world is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to accommodate your unique schedule. The potential benefits are also immense. Not only can you earn a living, but you can also reach a global audience, expand your skills, and even build your personal brand. The internet offers unlimited potential for growth and success, and all it takes is a little bit of creativity, dedication, and the right guidance. You might be asking, but where do I start? What platforms should I use? How do I find clients or customers? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process, from understanding your skills and interests to setting up your online presence, finding clients, delivering quality work, and even growing and diversifying your online business. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and it's okay to feel a little overwhelmed at first. The important thing is to take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to making money online. So, are you ready to dive into the world of online money making? Let's get started. To make money online, first, identify your skills and interests. We all have abilities and passions that make us unique, and the online world is a vast playground where we can turn these into profit. So where do we start? By understanding our skills and interests. Let's imagine your skill is writing. You have a knack for stringing words together in a way that captivates and persuades. The world of online content is always hungry for words. You could offer your services as a freelance writer, creating compelling articles, blog posts, or product descriptions. Or perhaps you're a wizard with graphic design. You can transform a blank canvas into a visually stunning piece of art. Online platforms are teeming with requests for logo designs, website layouts, or digital art commissions. Your creativity can literally paint your way to financial success. Coding, on the other hand, is a skill that's highly sought after in today's digital age. Whether it's building websites, developing apps, or creating software, your coding skills can open up a world of online opportunities. Now let's talk about interests. Say you're an avid gamer, spending hours exploring virtual worlds and mastering game mechanics. Why not channel this passion into creating game reviews, walkthroughs, or even streaming your gameplay? Or maybe you have a deep fascination with travel, food, fashion, or fitness. You can build a blog or a YouTube channel around these interests, sharing your experiences and insights while monetizing through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. In essence, the online sphere is a vast marketplace where skills meet demands and interests attract like-minded individuals. It's about finding that sweet spot where what you love to do and what you're good at converge with what others are willing to pay for. But don't be discouraged if your skills or interests aren't directly monetizable. The internet is a place of continuous learning, and there are countless resources available to help you acquire new skills or deepen existing ones. Remember, the key is to align your money-making methods with your skills and interests. This will not only increase your chances of success, but also ensure that the journey is fulfilling and enjoyable. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to explore different platforms where you can make money online. Let's start with freelancing websites. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are virtual marketplaces where businesses and independent professionals connect and collaborate on projects. If you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or have any other marketable skills, these platforms can be a great place to start. You set up a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects that match your skills and interests. Next up, we have blogging. If you have a knack for writing in a topic you're passionate about, starting a blog can be a rewarding way to make money online. By creating engaging content and growing your audience, you can monetize your blog through methods like advertising, sponsored posts, or selling products and services. Another platform to consider is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with a company to promote their products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Sites like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started with affiliate marketing. Online tutoring is also a popular choice, especially in today's digital age. Platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com allow you to share your knowledge in a subject and earn money by helping students learn. Whether you're a math whiz or a language expert, online tutoring can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. And let's not forget about selling products or services directly. Whether it's handmade crafts on Etsy, digital products on Gumroad, or even your own online course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, there's a platform out there for whatever you're offering. So, as you can see, there are numerous money-making platforms available, each with its own set of benefits and challenges. It's important to do your research and choose the one that aligns best with your skills and goals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's okay. The key is to find what works for you. Choosing the right platform is crucial to your online money-making journey. Now, let's talk about setting up your online presence. In the digital world, your online presence is your business card. It's the first impression people get when they encounter your name or brand on the internet. And as we know, first impressions matter. A professional and compelling online presence can make you stand out from the crowd and attract potential clients or customers. So, how do you create an impressive online presence? Well, it starts with choosing the right platform. Whether it's a personal website, a blog, a social media account, or a portfolio on a freelancing platform, you need to select a platform that aligns with your skills and interests. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create your profile or portfolio. This is where you showcase your skills, experiences, and achievements. Remember, the goal is to convince potential clients or customers that you are the right person for the job. When creating your profile or portfolio, keep these tips in mind. First, make sure your profile is complete and up to date. This includes having a professional photo, a compelling bio, and a list of your skills and experiences. Second, make sure your profile is easy to read and navigate. Use bullet points, headings, and short paragraphs to make your information easy to digest. Third, showcase your best work. If you're a graphic designer, for example, include samples of your best designs. If you're a writer, include links to your best articles. Fourth, include testimonials or reviews if you have them. Nothing builds trust like positive feedback from previous clients or customers. And last but not least, always be professional. This means avoiding slang, maintaining a positive tone, and responding promptly to inquiries or comments. Remember, your online presence is a reflection of you and your work. It's your chance to show the world what you can do and why they should hire you or buy your products or services. A strong online presence can significantly increase your chances of making money online. So take the time to create a profile or portfolio that truly represents you and your abilities. It's an investment that can pay off big time in the long run. With your online presence set up, it's time to find clients or customers. How do you attract these crucial players to your online venture? Let's dive in. Firstly, be clear and confident about what you have to offer. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or your expertise, make sure your unique selling proposition is easily understood and compelling. Remember, you're not just selling something, you're providing a solution to a problem. Frame your offerings in this light, and you'll naturally attract the right clients or customers. Next, you have to put yourself out there. Networking is key. This might seem daunting in the digital world, but it's simpler than you think. Engage with others in your industry, join relevant online communities, comment on related posts, and share valuable insights. Be genuine and helpful. People are more likely to do business with someone they know and trust. Don't forget about the power of testimonials and reviews. If you've done a great job for a customer or client, ask them for a testimonial. Positive reviews are social proof that you deliver on your promises, and they can be instrumental in attracting new clients. Building relationships is also crucial. Don't just disappear after a transaction. Follow up, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for their business. This not only enhances your reputation, but also increases the chances of repeat business and referrals. Lastly, consider partnerships. Collaborating with complementary businesses can open doors to a whole new customer base. For example, if you're a graphic designer, partnering with a web developer could benefit both parties. You refer clients to each other, creating a win-win situation. Remember, attracting clients or customers isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that requires consistency, authenticity, and patience. You might not see results overnight, but don't get discouraged. Keep refining your approach, learning from your experiences, and building on your successes. Finding the right clients or customers is the next big step in your online money-making journey. You've found your clients. Now it's time to deliver quality work. In the world of making money online, delivering quality work isn't merely an option. It's a necessity. It's the foundation upon which your online business stands, the cornerstone that holds your reputation. Quality work keeps your clients coming back, and repeat business, as we all know, is a crucial component to a thriving online venture. But what does quality really mean? Is it simply meeting the bare minimum of what's expected, or is it something more? Here's the thing. Quality is exceeding expectations. It's going beyond the call of duty to provide something truly exceptional. It's not just about doing a job. It's about doing it well, doing it with passion, and doing it with integrity. And let's not forget about meeting deadlines. In the digital world, time is of the essence. Clients value punctuality just as much as they value the quality of your work. After all, what good is an excellent piece of work if it's delivered late? Now, let's talk about communication. Clear and concise communication is a vital part of delivering quality work. It's about understanding and meeting your clients' needs and expectations. It's about keeping them in the loop, updating them on your progress, and addressing their concerns promptly and professionally. It's not just about delivering a product or a service, it's about delivering an experience. Excellence, punctuality, and communication. These are the 3 pillars of quality work. But remember, consistency is key. You can't just deliver quality work once and then let your standards slip. You have to keep up the good work, day in and day out. It's this consistency that builds trust, strengthens relationships, and ultimately keeps the money rolling in. So whether you're a freelance writer, a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, or any other kind of online entrepreneur, remember this. Quality isn't just something you deliver, it's something you embody. It's not just about what you do, it's about who you are. Delivering quality work consistently is the key to making money online. So, you're making money online. What's next? Well, now that you've got your foot in the door, it's time to keep pushing forward. You see, making money online is not a one-off thing. It's a continuous journey of learning, growing, and diversifying. Think of it like planting a garden. You don't just plant one seed and call it a day. No, you plant several different kinds of seeds, water them, nurture them, and watch them grow. Similarly, your online career needs nurturing and diversifying to truly flourish. Now, how do you grow? By continuously learning and improving. The online world is dynamic, ever-changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. Therefore, it's crucial to keep up with the latest trends, hone your skills, and adapt to the changing landscape. Read books, attend webinars, take online courses, or find a mentor. There are numerous ways to learn and grow. Next is diversification. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't rely on a single income stream. Diversifying your income sources can provide financial stability and reduce the risk of income loss. For instance, if you're a freelance writer, you could consider branching out into blogging, affiliate marketing, or even selling online courses. The beauty of diversifying is that it not only provides multiple streams of income, but also allows you to explore and capitalize on different skills and interests. It's like having multiple safety nets, ensuring that even if one source dips, you have others to fall back on. Remember, growth and diversification are not overnight processes. They take time, effort, and patience. But the rewards are well worth it. As your online career blossoms, you'll find more opportunities, earn more income, and gain the financial stability you've always dreamed of. So as you embark on this exciting journey of making money online, remember this. Always aim to grow and diversify. It's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable, diverse, and rewarding online career. To make a successful career out of making money online, always aim to grow and diversify. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to making money online. We've journeyed together through the critical steps of understanding your unique skills and interests and discovering how they can translate into a rewarding online venture. We've delved into the vast array of online platforms where you can showcase your talents and earn a living. The importance of setting up a strong online presence cannot be overstated. It's your virtual storefront, the first impression potential clients or customers get of you. We've also tackled the art of finding clients or customers, and the commitment to delivering quality work that keeps them coming back for more. And let's not forget, growth and diversification are crucial in this ever-changing digital landscape. Continue to expand your skills, explore new platforms, and diversify your income streams. Remember, making money online is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and you'll find success.